it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the May Adornable Elements bead boxes for the Hot and Trendy and 2-hole bead of the month club. So yes, so I have the single 2-hole bead of the month club for May called Color Run, and the single Hot and Trendy bead of the month club for May called Blooming Orchids. Okay, looking forward to this. Okay, and for last month, I know if you watch any of my videos, I was sick for almost 2 weeks with this horrendous head cold going on and everything. I did the unboxing for April for these two, but I never did a finished jewelry or anything, and I'm working on some stuff right now, so I probably will just combine last month and this month together when I do finish jewelry, or if I do any tutorials out of this. So just so you know, there will be one coming. I did do one jewelry set so far. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so let's start with the 2-hole bead of the month club. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I love getting this box. I always say it takes me out of my comfort zone because I don't really do bead weaving, but I love making like a lot of 2-hole necklaces and stuff like that. These are so beautiful. So let's see. Okay, so that's first, and then Cal, and then STD, CRS. Oh, we got, oh, those are pretty. GWN, DU, GD, and T. Wait, DWN, TRI, DU and T. Okay. And I'm going to take these because I like putting them in here. Okay, so this first one is a full vitral Helios Parpuca, 6.5 grams. And these were $4.75. Look how pretty these are. And they have, there are 2 holes right there. These work. With these, you know, I've made lariat necklaces and stuff and used these. And just like, you know, they come in different colors every month and everything. And they're so pretty. I'm putting them in here because I take pictures of these when I post my videos, so it's easier if I just do it like that. Okay. Oh, look at these. These are Crystal AB Kalos Parpucas, 6.5 grams. This whole thing is $4. Wow, look at these. Look at how pretty they are. And it's amazing that this bead is this tiny and they can get 2 holes in it. It's so pretty. Okay. And next is Crystal Magic Blue Storm Duos, 50 pieces. These are $5.50. Oh, these are pretty. I like these Storm Duos. They're cool because they have that wave. I don't know if you can see that right there. They have that wave to them. And they have the purplish with the blue and the green. They're so pretty. Absolutely love them. Okay, and next is Metallic Rose Crescents, 7 grams. These are $3. Oh, look at these. Let's leave a couple of them in there. Wow. Look at these. How cool are these? I don't think I've ever seen these. I think I've been getting these boxes for, oh, maybe almost a year now. And I mean, we've had this like half moon shape, but I've never had a crescent shape like that, and one that's so skinny. These are really pretty. These are gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. I'm so happy. I'm feeling better too. It's like when you don't feel good, your creativity is like zero. I came in here a couple times and I was like, no, this ain't working for me. Okay, and so here's the 2 holes for this. And this is the olive green tile bead. 20 pieces, they're $2.75. So there. These are very well-made beads too. You know, there's no flaws. I've never seen a flaw in these beads. So these are absolutely gorgeous. And next, oh, these are different. Metallic suede gold triangles, 7 grams for $3.50. Oh, look at these. Oh, how cool are these? Look at the way the holes, like, they're on the bottom. Or it could be the top. It's off center. So, you know, you can have it dangling on something or you can have it pointing up. It's the same on both sides. Metallic suede gold. That's a perfect name for these. These are really cool. Oh, I can't wait to work with these. Okay, and then Aqua Vitrol Super Duos. 12.5 grams for $3.75. I love these beads. These are my favorite ones that I use when I make my lariats, my 2-strand lariats, because they give so much reflection. And so, like, when you wear a piece of the jewelry, it, like, you see the movement of the, you know, when you just, like, if you're wearing it around your neck and you just turn, you see the movement, you know, the color. It has so many different layers to it, the coloring. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love these. And last but not least for this set, these are Metallic Matte Violet Gem Duo, 7 grams for $4. Look at those. Look how pretty those are. See the 2 holes right there? Love this metallic matte. I don't know if I've ever had these before either. These and these. I think I won these. I've never had these before. These are really cool. Lots of ideas flowing here right now with these beads. I like to do the unboxing and then I kind of like let it simmer overnight. So this is the 2-hole bead, Bead of the Month Club. Let me get out the Hot and Trendy. Stay tuned. Okay, and the Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month Club is Blooming Orchids. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. See how excited I get? Oh, look at these little copper ones. Wee doggy. Look at these. I know you guys get as excited as I do about beads. I know. I'm not the only weirdo here. Okay. GK. That's also, oh, I love their little flower beads. FFPR. Wow. PRG. Oh, and the dagger beads. Okay. Get ready for some beauty here. These are so cool. So these are Metallic Matte Purple Delos Parpucas, 6.5 grams for $4. Look at these babies. I'm going to put one in there just so I know. Look at how cool these are. And they have 3 holes. These are just so awesome. I love this purple. This metallic matte purple. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And look at these. Frost Anise Capri Gold Arcos Parpucas. That's a name. 6.5 grams for $4.50. Now look at these. They're like a mint on one side, and then these remind me of the Andy's Cream de Mints, if you remember those. I love those, where they're chocolate on the outside and they have that mint on the inside. That's the color of that. Look at these. Wow. These are gorgeous. Look at these. Oh, and the copper. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait. Okay, and the third one is Chalk Teal Luster Gecko, 7 grams, $4. Oh, these are pretty. So these have just one, they just have one hole at the top. So almost have like a little dagger look to them, a tiny dagger look to them. But again, these kind of look like they're just a little darker than these beautiful ones. These have that cream de mint look to them. Now all of a sudden I'm craving one of those Andes mints. Shame on you guys. So yeah, these are beautiful. Look at those. Okay, oh, look at these. And next is Painted Purple Mini Flowers, 7 millimeters, 25 pieces for $3.25. These are gorgeous. They have one hole right there. These make really pretty like earrings. Like, look at all the, I mean, just look at all the detail on these. As tiny as they are, look at all the detail. The texture and the flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And next is the Crystal Teal Luster Curved Leaf. This I have to pop this lid off for. Oh. These are so pretty. Look at these. These are gorgeous. Can't tell if my lighting changed at all. Sometimes I do videos a little later at night. So these are 15 pieces for $4. They're so pretty. The same on both sides pretty much. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna take, put one of them in there. Beautiful. Oh, and look at these. Okay, these are Crystal Copper Plate True 2. That's what it says. Crystal Copper Plate True 2. Approximately 125 pieces. 1.7 grams for $5.25. Okay. These are tiny. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, boy, I love getting this box every month, or this double. Those are so pretty. These colors together are gorgeous. And next is Crystal Copper Matte Prongs, 7 grams for $3. So these have one hole, as you can see. So when they're prongs, so I could see them like if you're creating something like with a circle, and then you can have those going one way or the other. These would be beautiful for bead weaving for sure. Absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, crystal etched Lila Vega luster daggers. 25 pieces for $2.75. Oh, these are pretty. They say luster. They look more matte to me though. They're kind of like some of them are a little more matte than others. They've, you know, you can see like they've got so many different colors going on here. Different, like some have more texture to them. Some are more solid, but very pretty. So I'm very excited to create with this month's Adornable Elements. So I will leave the link below. There's a 10% off. If you click on the link and you want to order it, there's a 10% off coupon. Just use my coupon code that is in the link. And I hope you enjoyed this. And definitely I will be mixing this month and last month together for finished jewelry or for any tutorials that I do. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, the red button, and then hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to bringing you some tutorials soon from these. So you guys stay tuned and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.